week 4, DashKam, YesKamp.
Hello.
This week we're in Utah. Yippee!
Yes, finally.
We've been super excited to get to Utah
God.
because of the big 5 national parks here.
Unfortunately, we only had time to see big 2 of them.
It's true.
Because we had a change of plans. You know us, we fly by the seat of our pants and change stuff all the time.
Pretty big change of plans.
And it's a big one. Are you pregnant?
I am not pregnant. That is not the change of plans, so do not speculate. But we'll tell you more about that later. In the meantime, the 2 national parks we went to were Arches and Canyonlands, which are basically exactly as described in their title.
They're insane.
Incredible. If you are short on time like we were, I'd say the highlight of Arches was the Delicate Arch hike, which is the arch that's on their Utah license plate.
It's an awesome hike,
Famous.
and it is an amazing payoff. It was really, really cool. I think we spent like an hour and a half up there. It was incredible.
Like when the hike was over, just enjoying it. So bring
It's
a
awesome.
picnic. It's
Definitely
awesome.
do it.
Canyonlands, surprise, dark horse. I didn't know it was going to be so cool, and it was.
Fucking awesome.
There, I would say personally the highlight was the Grand Viewpoint hike or something at the end. If you're afraid of heights, just don't go
Still
near the
do
edge.
it. You should.
It's amazing.
I think in a way it was cooler than the Grand Canyon. Sorry, guys. Whoop, I said it.
It was very special.
Yeah.
So we had a good time. The town near both parks is called Moab, which is like super venture capital of Utah. We loved it.
It's a venture capitalist
Adventure capital of Utah. We treated ourselves to an RV park because there was a big game.
Oh, yeah, that. Oh, my gosh. Did you guys see that? Wow. Well, let me tell you about it. It was awesome. Miami FSU. First time in 7 years.
7 years.
We beat them. And then this happened. Look at this.
Look at this beautiful score.
I love you. I love you, Molly Frizzy. I love you, Braxton Berrios. I love you. I love you. Sorry, that video gets me emotional every time. That is amazing. Yes.
Yeah, so
it was
really
a great time.
Special place in his heart for Utah and
Utah's
Moab
amazing.
and Arches and Canyonlands.
Here it comes, coming at you.
But
But before we go,
one last thing.
special shout out to our #1 YesKamp fan, my sister, Megan, in London. Jolly old London town. Foggy, too.
Yeah.
We miss you, we love you, and we just wanted to say hi.
Shout out.
Shout out! Here it comes, week 4. Enjoy. Bye.